welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the charging port on a Samsung Galaxy A8 phone. For this we need a brush like this one with 2 cm long flexible bristles made of soft or medium hard hair so it doesn't scratch the phone or the casing. You will also need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it simply evaporates after cleaning. It takes about 10 minutes and completely evaporates, leaving no trace behind. If you don't have these items, you can buy them on Allegro or Amazon in a package like this. We just got ours from Amazon, but you can simply use a regular toothbrush as long as it's soft or medium soft. If it's hard, it will just scratch your phone's casing. So we start by turning off the phone. It needs to be completely powered off. You should never use or clean your phone while it's turned on, because you could damage it. Next, we moisten the toothbrush with isopropyl. Make sure it's thoroughly wet. If you don't have an applicator like this, a simple small container is enough. Just put the toothbrush in it so it's fully submerged in the liquid. We take the phone and hold it this way. As I mentioned, it must remain turned off the entire time. And we always clean in one specific direction, meaning carefully insert the brush all the way into the port, and then slowly move it sideways in a single steady direction. Do this about 10 times. Now do the same thing in the other direction, about 10 times as well, just to make sure you clean it from both sides, and so that the dirt actually comes out of the port. If you were to clean both directions at once, the dirt would just stay inside the port the whole time. That's why we clean in one direction only, repeating the same motion about 10 times, so that the dirt comes out of the port instead of staying inside. We repeat this in each direction about 5 times, so that's 5 sets of 10 repetitions. And we'll have a clean port. After the procedure, we set the phone aside on the table. As I mentioned, it should be turned off. Never turn it on. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all the alcohol evaporates from the port, and then the phone will be ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.